Tighten vagina naturally with cream without undergoing surgery. Subscribe our channel and press the bell icon on YouTube app. Make sure you do not miss any health tips. Get email and mobile notifications about upcoming health videos. Female's genital passage bears serious stress and strain due to natural phases of her life, and these can make it dull and insensitive. The dullness and insensitivity affect women's libido by deteriorating fun and pleasure during lovemaking. Dullness in the intimate passage also promotes problems like severe itching, episodes of excessive discharge, infections, etc., which make the life of a woman miserable. There are ways which can help a woman to get rid of these problems easily and naturally. We have listed below a few very trusted and reliable natural ways for vaginal rejuvenation. These measures are effective for women facing dullness and looseness in intimate passage due to natural childbirth, aging, obesity, health problems, and lifestyle-related issues. Tips to tighten intimate part. With these steps, the woman at any stage can tighten vagina without undergoing surgery or any other medical procedure. Kegel exercises are most popularly recommended natural ways to tighten genital passage. These exercises improve blood flow in the affected part and bring strength and firmness by energizing muscles and tissues. The most astonishing aspect of Kegel exercises is that these provide a woman control over the movement of muscles that surround genital passage. During sex, a woman can squeeze these muscles and tighten the grip of walls over male organ to maximize pleasure of romance. Regular Kegel exercises are reliable ways to cure dullness and looseness in genital passage. Other exercises are also very helpful in recovering from dullness and treatment for loose genital passage. Physical activity increases the flow of blood in the female's genital region or pelvic region. With healthy blood flow, women are able to gain faster cell generation and repairing of weak and damaged tissues. There are certain exercises that are particularly beneficial for enhancing flow of blood in women's genital region and bring back firmness, tightness, and sensation in intimate passage. Yoga poses, leg exercises, and use of cones and balls are effective ways to shrink vagina at home and gain narrower and suppler passage. A proper diet that includes foods which supplement nutrients beneficial for improving the health of females' genitalia is another step to tighten vagina without undergoing surgery. Fruits and green veggies shall be included in diet to get antioxidants, vitamins, and vital minerals. Nuts and seeds are also an important part of woman's diet seeking vaginal rejuvenation. Almonds, walnuts, flax seeds, pumpkin seeds, and saffron are good for gaining firmness and sensation in intimate passage naturally. Garlic, ginger, yogurt, etc. are also recommended as supportive foods to shrink vagina at home and make it tighter and firmer. Herbs are the most reliable treatments for any health problem, and there are many herbs that are recommended to women to tighten vagina without undergoing surgery. Ashwagandha, shatavari, gokshuru, etc. are few to name, which has proven track record of their efficacy in eliminating dullness and weakness in a woman's intimate zone and make sensitive and responsive at any age. Use of herbs is the most effective way how to tighten vag lips and lead a passionate love life. Herbs shall be used with correct method that ensures their purity and efficacy for maximum benefits. Certain steps are needed to avoid any further damage to tissues and muscles of woman's genitalia to make treatment for loose genital passage better. Birth control pills, use of IUD, quality of undergarments, sitting jobs, and medication are few factors that aggravate weakness in a woman's intimate zone. These factors restrict blood flow and deteriorate functions of mucous glands to cause dryness and allow infections to settle. Lesser blood flow also causes weakness in nerves, tissues, and muscles and make the entire region less sensitive, dull, and saggy. Best genital tightening cream. Herbal creams are modern ways for fast and safe treatment and convenient ways how to tighten vag lips. Herbal creams come with herbs as ingredients and are directly applied inside and around vaginal opening half an hour before bedtime. These creams promote lubrication and entice blood flow to bring tightness and firmness in walls of passage and make it narrower. Regular use of these creams in a short time makes passage naturally sensitive, firmer and tighter, and cures looseness. You can tighten the vagina naturally with cream. These show positive results from day one and do not cause any side effects. It is not only much easier and convenient to tighten the vagina naturally with a cream, but herbal creams also provide long-lasting results. By taking dietary and lifestyle precautions, women can enjoy positive results for a much longer period in life. Lady Secret Serum is best in the business, and you can trust this herbal product to tighten vagina naturally with cream. It comes with the best herbs as ingredients in their purest form and delivers safe and fast results. It is not exactly a cream, but serum, and gets absorbed in the skin and walls of the genital passage smoothly and quickly. It does not make its presence felt in any manner and gives hours of sensation and extreme pleasure every time. Regular use makes the vagina tighter, sensitive and firmer naturally. Buy Lady Secret Serum at naturogain.com. Do you have any health queries? If you have any questions or need further information, please don't hesitate to contact us. Feel free to email your queries at remediesofyoush@gmail.com or simply post your queries right here in the comment area. Press the bell on YouTube app and never miss another update. Watch related videos for more information and health tips.